afternoon, I'm Angela Reigert. First at 4, U.S. Attorney General Loretta Lynch is in central Kentucky today to raise awareness about heroin overdoses. Earlier today, she spoke with students at Madison Central High School. As Miranda Combs reports, health officials are calling the spike in overdoses a public health crisis.
It was a busy morning at Madison Central High School as Secret Service covered the building and hundreds of students filed in to hear the top law enforcement official in the country speak. One of the panelists is someone we've been following for 2 years as he's recovered from his addiction. Today, he sat right next to the U.S. Attorney General.
Is really encouraging. It really feels like a lot's coming to fruition. Certainly it's not just my work, it's a lot of work of a lot of people. But what it is, it's a lot of clamoring voices. A lot of people shouting out and saying, we're tired of this. We're tired of watching our friends pass away. And
Alex Ellswick was one of the panelists sitting next to U.S. Attorney General Loretta Lynch. He was an example of successful rehab in a county struggling with overdose. 600 students listened as Attorney General Lynch talked to them about watching out for each other and explaining how addiction can start. Students asked questions and raised concerns about their future. This county alone has already seen more than 30 overdose deaths this year. Not many in this room had not felt the effects.
And what we are facing today is not just a law enforcement crisis and not simply a public health crisis. We are facing a moral crisis, a test of whether we here in the United States can protect our children.
The U.S. Attorney General spent her afternoon talking to a group called the Heroin Education Action Team, which is made up of family members who have lost loved ones to drug overdoses. In Madison County, Miranda Combs, WKYT.
Lynch is currently taking part in a discussion at the University of Kentucky. We hope to have much more from UK's campus coming up tonight at 6.